Let's see four stocks for tomorrow's session. The first stock we have is RBL Bank. You can see the daily chart. It is clearly apparent that currently in downtrend, indicated by three consecutive bearish candles. Talking about tomorrow's session, I cannot see this bearish momentum continuing any longer. The reason for this is that you can see the support range over here. So I expect RBL Bank to retrace from the levels of 155 and around that. So you are better to buy on retracement in RBL Bank. Just do not buy at the first open candle in tomorrow's session. Wait for it to go down and then you can buy at lower level. Second stock for tomorrow's session is Tata Motors. Tata Motors is currently contracting in this particular price range. Since last 6 days, it's been making variations of doji candles with the wick sticking out in the upper and lower direction. Though the wick in the upper direction is more prominent than lower wick. If you talk about the kind of level we are watching for tomorrow's session, I think this particular level over here, which is a daily support level for Tata Motor, is an extremely strong level. The reason being is that you can see the candles. Every time this support level is touched, the volumes are decreasing. So in tomorrow's session, we could expect Tata Motors to retrace back from this level, so you could be better off buying on rebound. Third stock for tomorrow's session is Federal Bank. Federal Bank has shown a considerable amount of downward movement in last two sessions, though the volumes are not astronomical. If you see the current level, Federal Bank is currently trading bank on the daily support level. So in tomorrow's session, I expect a rebound from this particular level. So wait for Federal Bank to go as low as it can, and then you can take buy trade in this particular stock. Fourth and final stock for tomorrow's session is Mahindra and Mahindra. After consolidating at the highest point it has made in last month, Mahindra and Mahindra Finance today broke out of this level and made a bearish candle. If you see the current level, for me this particular level over here is very important. I will point you out the level that is very important for Mahindra and Mahindra Finance. The level is 177.45 or around that. The current market price is 191. I expect Mahindra and Mahindra Finance to go as low as 177 or even as low as 182. So this particular levels are very important. So in tomorrow's session you can sell in Mahindra and target should be around this particular levels. If you want to know all the important levels with stop loss and entry as well as target price, you can join my Telegram channel. I will leave the link in the description box. Thank you for watching.